He stumbles through debris-strewn floors, each step echoing in the cavernous space. Cobwebs cling to the broken window frames. Moonlight spills through shattered windows, casting long, eerie shadows that dance with the dust motes in the air. Diego pauses, eyes darting around, listening for any sign of life amidst the desolation. Amidst a landscape of destruction, he cowers, a solitary figure against the backdrop of shattered concrete and twisted metal. His body trembles uncontrollably, a leaf caught in the tempest's fury. Dust and debris cling to him, painting a portrait of despair and ruin. Each breath is a ragged gasp, a testament to the unseen horrors he has witnessed. He remains frozen, a statue of fear amidst the desolation.